I yield myself as much time as I may consume.
Without
What's
objection.
disgraceful is this thousands of pages of bill were rushed through this Congress with little chance to read it, laden with special interest provisions to buy off votes. And while the promises were made to the American people that their costs would go down, they could keep their plan if they liked, the economy would boom, none of it happened. And Republicans were denied even one vote on the House floor to provide a real alternative. That's the disgrace. Today, health care costs are going up. Independent experts say it could double in some states. And workers are finding out they can't keep the plan at work, that they'll be forced into exchange. And who can afford more expensive health care? Almost 2 out of 3 small businesses aren't hiring because of this legislation. I toured a pallet plant in Conroe where the cost of Obamacare is so high, it's equivalent of building 2 new plants and hiring 100 new workers. That won't happen. Local businesses are cutting jobs and cutting hours. One restaurant owner in Houston told their managers they will not hire another full-time worker, period. Obamacare simply makes it too expensive. And when these concerns are voiced, what Democrats in Congress and the president say is, it's the law. Get over it. Just get over it. Well, the bottom line is we're fighting to repeal Obamacare because it'll hurt too many patients, too many people, too many families, and bad laws should be stopped early before people get hurt. Year in and year out, we've wrestled with this Medicare formula to reimburse doctors. We've got it wrong, and doctors and seniors are being hurt. The alternative minimum tax has been a mess for years. The death tax as well. Can you imagine how much pain we would have avoided if these bad laws had been stopped early before they hurt so many Americans? Make no doubt about it, we needed health reform, but the president and Washington Democrats got it wrong. So let's repeal it now and replace it with real reforms that help patients, that help families, that help small business. Let's get government out of the office room. Let's give patients real choices. Let's lower health care, because Obamacare, this Affordable Care Act, has failed on all of its promises. Madam Speaker, I yield back.